Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I will show you how to create glitch effect and also how to change the colors of glitch effect by using Snapseed app. You can see before one and the after one. It's very easy trick guys. Just edit with me, follow all the steps, watch the video till the end. Let's start. First click on open, select your picture and click on select. Now next, go to the tool section, scroll down and select black and white tool. Click on style and select contrast style and just click on apply. Now next, go to the tool section, scroll up and select curves tool. Now click on channel and select red channel. Now just down the curve like this and click on apply. Now you need to save this picture. Just save this picture. Click on export, photo saved in gallery. Now click on edit stack. Now click on undo once. Okay. Now next step, go to the tool section. Click on curves. Click on channel and select green channel. And down the curve like this. And click on apply. Now next step, go to the tool section, scroll down and select double exposure tool. Click on open image and select the picture we just saved before and click on select. Now click on style and select lighten style. Click on opacity level, no need to change it. Now just slightly move the picture like this. Once it's done, just click on apply and here is our final result. To change glitch colors, just click on edit stack, view edits, curves, settings and just up the curve like this, click on channel and select blue channel. Now just down the curve like this and click on apply. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Snapseed tricks, tips and tutorials.